Have you ever wondered about the true power hidden within the simplest of words you speak to yourself every day? What if I told you that two small words, I am, hold the key to unlocking an incredible transformation within you? Yes, the journey to self-discovery and empowerment begins with these powerful affirmations. I am is not just a statement. It's a declaration of your identity, a bold assertion of your capabilities, and a bridge to the life you've always dreamed of. Imagine the possibilities when you start to define yourself not by your past or your limitations, but by your aspirations, strengths, and the untapped potential that lies within you. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to unveil the secret power of I am affirmations. A journey that is as simple as it is profound, leading to personal transformation and empowerment that many have sought, but few have truly discovered. Join me as we explore how these two words can reshape your reality, inspire your heart, and ignite the deepest desires of your soul. This is not just about positive thinking. It's about creating a new reality. Are you ready to unlock your hidden potential and embrace the life you are meant to live? Let's dive in. In our journey through life, the words we use to define ourselves hold a mirror to our deepest beliefs and shape the reality that unfolds around us. The phrase I am is not merely two words strung together, but a powerful declaration that sets the foundation of our self-identity and molds our existence in ways beyond our imagination. Historically and psychologically, I am affirmations have been recognized as a potent tool for transformation. They are the seeds from which the garden of our life grows, influencing our thoughts, actions, and the environment we create. When we say I am, we are not just speaking into the void. We are commanding the universe to align with our deepest truths and intentions. But why do these affirmations work with such remarkable effectiveness? The answer lies in the fascinating interplay between our minds and the neural pathways that govern our thoughts and behaviors. Neuroscience has shown us that with every repetition of positive affirmations, we are not just wishing for a change. We are literally rewiring our brains to foster a mindset ripe with positivity and resilience. Studies reveal that consistent practice of I am affirmations can strengthen areas of the brain associated with self-value and positive self-identity, proving that the path to transformation is as much about science as it is about belief. And the evidence of this power is not confined to laboratories or theoretical discussions. It thrives in the real-world experiences of countless individuals who have harnessed the transformational energy of I am affirmations to revolutionize their lives. From stories of overcoming deep-seated fears to tales of achieving long-held dreams, the testimonials of those who've embarked on this journey are as diverse as they are inspiring. Each story serves as a testament to the fact that when we align our words with our desires, the possibilities for growth and transformation are endless. As we move forward, let these insights be a guiding light. The understanding of I am, backed by the undeniable evidence of science and the moving power of personal transformations, invites us to step into a world where we consciously create our identity and, consequently, our reality. Remember, the journey to change begins with the simplest but most profound declaration of who we are and who we aspire to be. Crafting your affirmations is like painting the canvas of your life with the colors of your deepest desires and aspirations. The art of creating powerful I am affirmations lies in the simplicity and sincerity of your words. Start by being specific. Let each affirmation be a clear statement of what you wish to see manifest in your life. Say, I am successful in my career, rather than just, I am successful. This specificity paints a vivid picture in your mind, making your aspirations more tangible and achievable. Moreover, positivity is the brush you use to paint this canvas. Frame your affirmations in the present tense, as if what you desire is already happening. I am living in abundance, not I will live in abundance. This present tense has the power to pull your dreams into your current reality, infusing your daily life with a sense of immediacy and possibility. But remember, the most potent affirmations are those that stir your emotions, that resonate with the core of your being. So infuse your affirmations with passion, love, excitement, or whatever emotion drives you towards your goal. Now, How do you weave these affirmations into the fabric of your everyday life? Begin each morning with a meditation session focused on your I am affirmations. Let these words be the first thoughts that greet your mind at the dawn of a new day, setting a positive tone for the hours to follow. Keep an affirmation journal. Write them down daily. Seeing these affirmations in your own handwriting reinforces their power, making them more real to you. And don't forget to surround yourself with visual reminders of your I am affirmations. Sticky notes on the bathroom mirror, a wallpaper on your phone, or a mantra board in your workspace can serve as constant reminders of your goals and the power you possess to achieve them. However, as you embark on this journey, be prepared to meet skepticism and doubt, both from within and from those around you. It's natural to encounter challenges when you're working towards transforming your life. The key is to face these doubts head-on, remind yourself of the reason you started, and the power that lies in your words. Every time a skeptical thought arises, counter it with a positive affirmation. This is not just a fight against doubt, it's an affirmation of your belief in your own potential. Remember, the path to transformation through I am affirmations is a journey, not a sprint. There will be moments of doubt, but there will also be moments of profound realization and joy. Stay committed, stay focused, and let your affirmations guide you towards the life you've always dreamed of. As we reach the end of our journey today, I invite you to take the first step towards unlocking the incredible power that resides within you. The journey of transformation through I am affirmations begins with a single, yet profound declaration of your inner truth. Remember, the words you speak to yourself have the power to change your life. Your reality is shaped by your beliefs and the affirmations you choose to embrace every day. So, why wait? Start your I am affirmation practice today. Let these powerful affirmations be the seeds from which your new reality blossoms. Embrace the infinite potential that lies within you. You are capable of achieving remarkable things. Believe in yourself, in your power, and in your ability to manifest the life you've always dreamed of. The journey may challenge you, but I assure you it will be worth every step. If this message resonates with you, if you feel that spark within ready to ignite a profound change, I urge you not just to carry these words in your heart, but to act on them. And as you embark on this transformative journey, remember, you're not alone. If you found value in our time together and wish to explore more ways to unlock your potential, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support inspires us to create more content that empowers and uplifts. Together, let's continue to explore the depths of our potential and unlock the greatness that lies within. Thank you for being here, for taking this step toward embracing your power. Your journey to transformation starts now.